We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. So let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property is priced at 16 million pesos. It has a lot area of 197 square meters, floor area of 225 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, balcony, and 2 carport. Contact us for viewing. The facade of the house is really nice. We have some stone and wood details. This is your 2-car carport. You have your pedestrian gate right here, and of course, you have your greenery on the side. From the street level, we step up, and we now have our porch area right here. And to my left is your pocket garden that has a space for a seating area over here. Now, going to the 2-car carport, really good size, good height also, lighted. You have your faucet right there, and of course, an outlet if you need one. And this way is going to the side of the house, the veranda. Sobrang presko, guys. If you can feel the air right now, sobrang presko. Let's go back to the front of the house. Another step up, then we have this wooden door that has a smart lock right here. Come in. So pagpasok natin, makikita agad natin tong living area right here. So ikot tayong pa ganun para ma-appreciate nila. Ang size ng living area natin, really interesting ceiling detail, of course. We have this divider over here, and this is your dining area. Dining table, we go right here. Then we have this sliding door that leads to the side of the house, which can be an overflow if you have guest. Pwede dito. Another table. We have a garden right here. And of course, steps going to the back of the house. Now, what's interesting about this house is meron tong atrium. So this atrium provides a natural light and ventilation when opened, like so. Then, ayan, we have the atrium right here. Pwede rin ditong meron kang upuan if you want to read or just relax after a day's work. Pwede dyan. Okay, now, going through here, we have our formal kitchen right here. Really nice countertop. Pwede tayong maglagay ng mga bar stools here if you want to use this as your daily dining area. Countertop, sink, of course. We have this storage and our range hood right here. Ang daming storage options kasi U-shaped siya. So lahat ng area na to meron. And meron na rin siya mga pull-outs para hindi ka na mag-i-install. Okay? And also soft closing. Now, this space right here is your provision for your refrigerator. May storage yun sa taas. Kasya din 2-door refrigerator. We have this space right here if you want to have your coffee station and all, pwede dyan. And more storage options right here. And by the way, your breakers are hidden inside there. Okay. Now, of course, your stairs going to the second floor. So this door is your powder room. You have our sink and your toilet right here. And meron ditong space din if you want to use this for anything. May faucet tayo dyan. Especially those who love the tabo. Pwede yan. And under the floor, pwedeng gawing storage. And what's good is may light siya. So, enclosed na lang yan. Another smart use of space. We have a bedroom downstairs. It's a good size bedroom. Your bed will go right here, of course. We have our built-in cabinets over here. And it has its own toilet and bath, sink, you have a medicine cabinet right here, toilet and enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. Okay? Ganda. Now, balik tayo sa area dito because nandito located ang ating staff room. So we have our staff room right here. Let me just turn this on. Good space. May built-in din siyang shelves dito. May window for natural light and ventilation. Ayan. And this door leads to your very spacious service area. I said spacious because yun naman yung setback. Sobrang lawak. We have our sink right here. Your pump is there. That is the provision for your washer and dryer. Wide space over here. For the plantitas, maganda to if you want to add more plants. And this is leading back to the two-car carport. Alright? Let's go back in. And covered na rin yung service area natin, no? So let's take one more look sa ating kitchen from that angle. Our dining and our living area. And a little peek again sa ating central atrium over here. Now let's go to the second floor. Wooden steps, wooden handrails with metal and glass support. So sa mid-landing natin, we have this tall window right here for natural light. And upon landing, you have a wide space right here, which I believe pwede mo pang lagyan to ng console dito for your other things. We have a family area over here. By the way, air conditioning are installed. Also, the curtains are very nice. But let's see this first two bedrooms on the second floor. This one is a good size of bedroom. The bed will go right here. You have your built-in cabinets, windows for natural light and ventilation. Air conditioning is installed and an ensuite toilet and bath that has a sink, toilet, and your enclosed shower with sliding door. And of course, ventilation. The next bedroom is similar layout. We have the space right here. Your bed will go right here. You have a built-in cabinet dito. But the difference is, meron itong access sa balcony. So when we open this, we have this wide and long space for you to relax. And kung mapapansin nyo, ang ganda, ang daming trees sa village na to. So talagang presko ang paligid. Alright, so let's go back in. Ensuite toilet and bath. That has, of course, the sink, the toilet, and the enclosed shower with sliding door and shampoo niche. Ang ganda. 2 bedrooms, space for family area. This sliding door naman is perfect kasi you have a family area right here na enclosed, can be air conditioned. But if you need more space or you have a gathering, you have this wide balcony facing the front of the house. Imagine having barbecue, bonding with your friends and family right here. Very, very nice. And like I said, preskong presko dito. Sabi nila, at this time of year, nakapatay na yung aircon ng Pilipinas but malamig pa rin sa area na to. Okay? Now let's check the master bedroom. So upon entry, ang una kong napansin dito guys, pagkapasok, is this ceiling design which reminded me of Balisin Island. Kasi may mga villa sa Balisin na ganito. yung kanyang ceiling. Your bed will go right here. Large windows. Another window right here. And you have a walk-in, built-in closets, and your very spacious toilet and bath. Sink, medicine cabinet, your toilet, and your enclosed shower na malawak din siya. Dito you have a space pa if you need to put some things, pwede pa dito sa area na to. Nice. Now let's do the recap.
This property is priced at 16 million pesos. It has a lot area of 197 square meters, floor area of 225 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, balcony, and 2 carport. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.